Today we're diving into the world of Android customization with a fantastic tool called Adaptive 14 KWGT. Let's explore how this app can transform your Android experience. Adaptive 14 KWGT is a customization tool for Android devices that allows users to create and personalize their home screen widgets. With this app, users can design widgets that adapt to different screen sizes and layouts, ensuring a visually appealing and functional experience on various devices. The app offers a wide range of features, including various templates, icons, and design elements that can be modified to suit individual preferences. Users can customize clock displays, weather information, calendars, and other vital data, all while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. One of the key advantages of Adaptive 14 KWGT is its flexibility. It enables users to combine multiple elements into a single widget, promoting a sleek and organized look. The adaptive nature of the widgets ensures they look good on any screen resolution, making them suitable for both phones and tablets. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of Adaptive 14 KWGT. We hope you found this overview helpful and inspiring. Until next time, happy customizing.